it appeals. They satisfy by the bill.
Another matter, another matter under the surface act. But order part by the CJM to take physical person has been stated matter.
Criminal appeal for bail.
Yeah.
Criminal appeal, I for bail.
They file writ application against the order of a tribunal. Union of India filed writ application against the order of tribunal. Might not please to issue notice and the opposite already appear. The tribunal is proceeding in the contempt itself. That's why I filed a IAF
In the contempt matter.
contempt filed by the appeal before the ruling tribunal. Because while issue notice, you will should not stay the impung order.
But you should have brought it to the notice of the tribunal.
Yes, that has been noticed that because of in absence of stay order, tribunal is proceeding.
So, Tahsildar has levied a demand of 38,56,710 rupees. So, this demand was without any soakers notice, without any notice. This demand was.
What type of demand?
Your Lordship, it's a mining case. Your Lordship has been assigned, the Honorable Chief Justice has assigned this court, this bench. Lordship, urgency is that NGT is proceeding for final hearing on 3rd of this September. Unless and until this matter, this.
We see that if it has been assigned.
Your Lordship, the appellant is in custody since 2018. And I
He has been noticed matter that the CAT order has been challenged. Your Lordship directed to list the matter on recommencing from 25th.
Land action contempt. They said inside land action contempt.
Appeal I for bail.
State has filed 2 writ petition against the order of the State Administrative Tribunal. In that contempt has been filed, the personal appearance has been order has been passed, personal appearance charge should be paid. So I create
order
to implement the order for giving the appointment. So the post was abolished prior to the order of the tribunal. Day after 2 more.
Appeal more than 12 days to the another appeal more than 11 years in performance. The appeal during trial he was on bail.
Please give me the memo, it will be listed.
Item 6 and 7, I am supposed to file affidavit, could not be filed. May I pray you Lordship the case? 8 one, I will.
Please, sir.
67.
Item 6 and 7, fresh admission. But I have to file affidavit regarding that same proceeding has not been proceeded. And they have already communicated, but due to that.
So you want further time?
Yeah.
How much time you want?
On 8 and in the meantime I'll file.
Mr. Maharana, Learning Council appearing for the petitioners, submit that you are supposed to file an affidavit in terms of the order dated 22/8/2025, but the same is not ready and the matter may be taken up next week, so that in the meantime, you will file the affidavit, giving copy to the other side. Put up this matter on 8th of September 2020.
You are not taking advantage of the pendency of the petition because this is, you are challenging person. And you have taken thrice time.
My lord, I have already auction has been not.
Because you have alternate remedy.
Auction has not been coming, only direction that for settlement. That is the reason I will also direction.
Yeah, tell your
That has been failure.
So it's fine for the side only, it will be considered. Same order in item number 7 or
6.
6-7. Oh.
And on that very day, this order was also passed in the other case.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Both the matter I need to same.
These are put same day for us. So both the matter will come on 8th November 2020.
8th number.
Yes.
Yes.
On 8th September.
Oh, sorry, 8th.
Sorry,
I'm sorry. 8th September 2025. Yes.
Weekly list, item number 1.
Yes, so that's that. Yes.
Your Lordships, before I actually start, and just for the clarification of the opposite side, because I think they were also not clear about this fact that about the existence of the fabricated order sheet. So your Lordships will see the order dated 4/4/2025 in the writ application. I'll just read a portion of it, your Lordships. As per the orders dated 31/1/2025, so also 7/2/2025, the original record of the so WPC number 7943 of 2021, so also the alleged fabricated order records of WPC 7943 of
It was
2020.
placed before us.
Just I just for their your Lordships,
No,
your
that
Lordships.
was- The original record and that so-called fabricated record we have placed, and that was given to us in sealed cover.
Sealed
We have
cover.
perused
It is,
And
both of them are placed. Both of them are
No
placed.
problem.
Just because that day.
Please continue with your argument. Don't
Yes.
try to take adjournment.
No, your Lordship, I'm not taking any
Yes.
adjournment. In fact, I intend to finish it today, your Lordship.
Yes, finish it.
Your Lordship, what I intended to do,
Just want to show what are the law laid down by this court or by the Honorable Supreme Court on this particular point, that the division bench passed the order, what is the scope of review? Because you have to put your case within that bracket.
yes, your Lordship, I'm aware of that.
Please, no, first give us the citation so that we cannot just go beyond that. We have to.
Your Lordship, this is a
Shift
first
it up.
citation which I would like
Whether
to,
it come within that parameter or not.
yes, your Lordship. My only, in fact, my only endeavor in this entire review would be,
First, let us see that, otherwise.
what would be,
It's
would be
it's
this,
not that you are arguing a
not arguing, your Lordship.
So-
I will not make any argue the case.
judgment. We have to see whether this review petition is maintainable or not, what is the scope of entertaining a review petition, and whether your review petition falls within that category or not.
Yes, your
That
Lordship.
much we are just.
Yes,
Please,
your Lordship.
fine.
But if,
Please, fine, give the decision.
the first judgment, your Lordship, which I want to cite is 2006 3 SEC 167. It's a very short judgment. What I rely is only a very small paragraph, your Lordship will find that. 2006 time. No. Huh. No. Your Lordship. It last.
First, order 47, which
Your
exception you
Lordship,
fall?
I will show everything. It has come. Court of appeal. This is on that. Your Lordship, first judgment, para 10 of it, your Lordship, I have underlined it,
Yes.
last paragraph. One of the arguments, the other contention of Mr. Gopal Singh pertains to the
Please,
second.
have patience, sir. We have-
Yes, I thought it's very
Seen.
forwarded.
We have not seen you, yes.
That's only para 10 of that
Yes.
last page, your Lordship, you'll find.
Yes.
The other contentions of Mr. Gopal Singh pertains to the second order of Justice Khosla, which is to the effect that reviews his prior order. Learned counsel contends that Article 226 of the Constitution does not confer any powers on the High Court to review its own order, and therefore the second order of Justice Khosla was without jurisdiction. It is sufficient to say that nothing in Article 226 of the Constitution to preclude a High Court from exercising a power review, which inheres in every court or plenary jurisdiction to prevent miscarriage of justice or to correct grave and palpable errors committed by it. Now, your Lordships, after that, this is the judgment I want to place. 2024 2 SEC 362. Your Lordships,
Of the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Chief Dev Singh versus Nagaland versus State of Punjab. Reported in year 1963 to 24. wherein paragraph number 10, it is stated as follows. You, on the line that would. Next.
Now, your lordships, this is a judgment which discusses Order 47 Rule 1, and your lordships may kindly look at para 16, where they lay down certain pointers. I rely on 16.1, 16.2, and 16.7, which your lordships will
One,
find
two, and
page 370 of that judgment.
yes, sir. Which paragraph?
Para 16, so it's, they have summarized. I rely on 16.1, 16.2, and 16.7. May I place it, your lordship? The judgment is open to review inter alia if there is a mistake or an error apparent on the face of the record. A judgment pronounced by the court is final and departure from the principle is justified only when the circumstance of substantial
Just a
and
minute.
compelling character.
Rotha, just a minute. Here, live streaming करना तो. Maybe pardon. In item 58
of today's list. There is an IA. I have sought release of the appellant on interim bail. His wife's first death anniversary is there on the 10th. So can the state be directed to take instructions and it may come up on
Tomorrow,
Thursday?
day after
Day
tomorrow.
after.
Day after.
item 75.
Just a minute. IA number one, it is an application for interim bail on the ground X one. Land counsel for the state takes some time to obtain instruction on the interim application, put of this matter on 3rd of September 2020.
The IA number is 2215.
Number two. Yeah, well within custody. Give it.
My lord, item 75.
Bail in criminal law. Give it. Yes,
My lord, item 75, my lord. There was a miscase for interim bail. My lords on 21/7 has directed to take instruction on the miscase, my lord.
so,
Lordship had taken up because today morning also he was shifted to Koraput Medical, my lord.
right, we will go see the response.
Weekly list, item number 1.
Just a minute.
Delay of 1180.
Very clear. Yeah.
Gone to,
30220.
years.
hey, how it gone to single?
No, that's not a matter. How a judicial officer can.
He could not have enforced 20 years. Continue.
I mentioned. This appeal has been listed for fresh admission. It has come to our notice that the appellant, Rohit Malik, face charges under section 498-302 IPC, reduce section 25(1)(a), 27(3) of the Arms Act for committing murder of a deceased Gitanjali Manu by means of a consummate. The Lennon trial court has found the appellant guilty under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. To also 25 and 27 of the Arms Act, and has been pleased to hold in paragraph 25 of the impugned judgment that the prosecution has successfully established the charges punishable under section 302 of IPC and section 25/27 of Arms Act against him beyond all reasonable doubt, and accordingly found him guilty. Stop. Under the headings of hearing on the point of sentence, we found that the appellant has been sentenced to undergo RI for 20 years and to pay fine of rupees 2,000 for commission of offence under section 302 IPC in default of payment of fine, to suffer RI for another 3 months. Stop. Sentences were also imposed for the offences under section 25 and 27 of the Arms Act, and it was directed that all the substantive sentences shall run concurrently. Section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, which deals with punishment for murder, states that whoever commits murder shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine. In view of such provision under section 302, let an explanation be called for from the concerned judicial officer as to how, while finding the appellant guilty under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, the appellant to undergo RI for 20 years. The explanation should be submitted in a sealed cover to the registered judicial. Stop. This matter be placed before the registered judicial, so that we will send this part of the order to the concerned judicial officer, and the explanation shall be submitted within a period of by 12th of September 2025. After making the next order, hard admit call for the trial court record. Interim application for bail and stay realization of fine to be considered after receipt of the trial court record. In the meantime, the land counsel for the appellant shall supply the deposition copies of the witnesses to the land counsel for the state. Yes, next. Okay.
Item 2.
Make papers. Make papers. That is.
May it be your lordships. Both the petitions have been convicted under section 302 read with 150p of the IPC lordships for life and pay fine of 10,000.
302. Admit call for the trial court record. Same order. Yes, next.
Item 3.
Please, the lordship.
Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, my lord. I'm the first. I'm for the applying the first case, my lord.
First case 985.
Yes, my lord.
How many persons face trial? Two.
Two, my lord.
Two. You are for Sahoo.
Yeah, my lord.
So what were the offences under which you faced trial?
What's the offences under section 302, with section 34 of Indian Penal Code, my lord?
Okay. You have been found guilty.
Yes, my
under
lord.
PU. And what sentence has been imposed?
Lordship's sentence rigorous imprisonment for life and with fine of 30,000, my lord.
Okay, there is delay.
Yes, my lord.
How many days delay is it?
173 days, my lord. I
Okay.
file an interim application 2242.
All right. We are condoning the delay. IN number so on. So this is an application for condonation of delay. The stamp reporter has pointed out that there is delay of 173 days in the filing this criminal. What is your good name?
Somik Tripathi, my lord.
Mr. Somyak Spandan Tripathi, Land Counsel for the appellant. Place the government's taken in the interim application and place for condonation of delay in condoning the delay in filing the criminal appeal. After hearing the land counsel for both the parties, perusing the grounds taken in the interim application, and since the appellant petitioner has been sentenced to imprisonment for life, we are inclined to condone the delay. Accordingly, delay is condoned or admit call for the trial court report. Interim applications for what applications you have filed?
Lordship, there is one application, interim application 2243, my lord.
The interim application for stay and bail erection of fines considered after receipt of the trial court report. Or trial court report is here.
Yes, my lord.
So you have supplied the deposition copies to the.
Not yet, but this has come for the first time.
Have you got the deposition copies in the other matter?
Yes, state has already got.
In the other matter, yes, sir.
Also same thing.
Same thing.
Yes.
Same judgment.
May I pray for, so far the connected matter is concerned, I am appealing for the informant.
Okay.
Let a copy of the appeal memo, judgment as well deposition is supplied to me in the
In
pen drive.
the connected matter.
Yes, I am appealing for the informant that
All right.
249 of 2025.
Mr. Joshi, Land Counsel for the informant is present. This is CRL number 249 of 2025. Let the Land Counsel for the appellant serve a copy of the appeal memo along with the interim application on the Land Counsel for the informant by day after tomorrow. Put up these matters, both the matters next week for orders. Yes.
Item 4.
Item number 4, the lordship has called for a report from the concerned authority regarding the health condition and behavior. Relevant order would be 1/12/2023.
Okay, so he has now filed a jail criminal appeal. How many years he is in custody?
More than.
More than
15 years. 15 years.
Never
He has
released
been
on
arrested, he was apprehended on 17th of December 2009.
Just a minute, in the judgment it is not reflected. The trial court record of Harkava?
And it's there in the LCR, the paper book, my lord.
Just a minute. I form this, which is that you are Kartik Patel. Okay, final form reflects that you are taken into custody on 19/12/2009. 19/12/2000, and you are never released on bail during trial.
No, madam. Instructions were never released.
Let us see the order sheet was produced in custody, produced in custody. Right, he has never been released from bail. So what is the case about? My lord, what is the allegation against you?
Allegation, my lord, that he was holding a tangia axe. He is a laborer. So the allegation is that without any premeditation or anything, he went on inflicting blows on other laborers and their families. And in the procedure, he dealt a blow on one of the
It's a case of double.
Yes, my lord. The supervisor and the girl child also. There's the allegation. Both of them.
Eyewitness?
There are multiple eyewitnesses.
Eyewitness, around 9 eyewitnesses.
Number
20
of
witnesses.
injured persons are also there.
PW4, 15, 16 and 17 are the injured eyewitnesses.
No, behavior is okay as it appears that his health condition is also okay. What about his background, criminal background?
That I have to check.
What is his age at present?
Judgment shows that you are 36 years in 2013. So it may be another 12 years. If we add it, then it becomes 48.
Yes, around 50 years old.
So you get that decision, sorry, that about the criminal antecedent information. And by the way, also you obtain that custody certificate. Because during that corona period, some persons
Nothing released on.
so
Antecedent also. Right?
antecedent. The Learning Council for the state, as per the order dated 1/12/2023, has produced a report from the Superintendent of Jail M. Rampur, which indicates that the state of health and mind of the petitioner is fine, and his behavior towards the other inmates is also very normal, and his conduct inside the jail is also good. Report is taken on record. The Learning Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 19/12/2009, and he was neither released on bail during trial nor thereafter, and as such he has remained in custody for more than 15 years. Land Council for the state submits that he may be given some time to produce the instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner, so also the custody certificate. So we are granting you time till 15th. We are listing this matter. Put up this matter on 15th of September 2025. The Land Council for the state shall obtain the necessary instruction in the meantime. Are Mr. Mahanti, Land Council, appearing for the appellant? Yes.
Item 5.
Here I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Satya Patnaik. Therefore, bail has been moved. The appellant is in custody, my lords, now for 12 years and 6 months.
When the prisoner's petition is the order in prisoner's petition over there. Mr. Patnaik has filed the take now. Period the prisoner's petition received at flag B, wherein prayer has been made for engaging Mr. Chittaranjan Patnaik, advocate, as his counsel. Mr. Patnaik has already filed Wakalatnama. The Wakalatnama is accepted. The name of Mr. Shangram Rath Lanenamaikas Giri shall not be reflected in the cause list henceforth. Stop. Now it comes to that IN number 192 of 2025.
You're a psychiatric patient.
There is no material to
No,
that.
there is a certificate medical officer.
Yeah, report was called for from this.
Psychiatric patient.
This,
That's it.
What about the detention period which has been in the, that he is in custody since
Since
30th
30th of March 2030.
So, any custody certificate you have it?
No, no, that is not.
And what about the criminal antecedent?
I'll get
That has also not come. You have only produced that,
report regarding the psychological analysis.
Yeah, whether he has improved now, because this is
a report of
2020.
2020.
This is a 7/1
That also
2020.
you obtain, huh?
Yes, sir.
It is mentioned that is a
Psychiatric.
regular treatment,
For
the advice of the psychiatric specialist. And he was also, perhaps brought to SCB medical. That is mentioned. And so it is mentioned that he is undergoing treatment in psychiatric department of SCB Medical College. So take instruction.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Devasis Pandal and counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/3/2013. The land counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the custody certificate and also to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. A report has been received, which is at flag C, dated 30/12/2020 of the medical officer district jail, Denkana, which shows that the petitioner was undergoing treatment at the psychiatric department of SCB Medical College and Hospital Cutter. Stop. Let the land counsel for the state also obtain the report regarding the health condition of the petitioner. Put up this matter on 15th of September 2025. We copy of the order is handed over to the land counsel.
The date of custody is 30th of May, not March.
अच्छा मार्च में अच्छा এটা
Occurrence
মে করবেন 30/3 30 দুইটা জায়গার আপন লিখছেন অ্যাকচুয়ালি 3 প্যারাগ্রাফ আর 5 এর 30th of May করবেন তো but इनकी लिख दियो तो Mr. Devasis Pandal and counsel submit that though in paragraph number 3 and 5 of the interim application, inadvertently it has been mentioned that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/3/2013. In fact, the petitioner is in judicial custody since 35/2013. Yes.
Item 6.
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Basili Tandon, but I'll take for a short.
You want adjournment?
Yes.
What is your good name? Please write it down. Give it in writing.
Copy of paper book may be supplied.
Basics for an adjournment, date the evening, and let a copy of the paper book. Have you received, your senior has received the copy of the paper book? No, it is here. You can ask your senior to collect the paper book. The land counsel for the state submit that she has not received the copy of the paper book. Let the paper book be supplied to the land counsel for the state. Put a date, the urgent. Yes, next.
Item 7.
Last session, I have paid less power, but for obtaining my necessary papers, so it may be.
You have filed wakalatnama.
No,
What do you want?
for obtaining my necessary papers, it may be urgent.
Have you complied this order to writing to
It's,
DG of prisons?
yes, Lordship.
Because sometimes they send only ex-counsel be engaged.
Yes.
And in that particular name,
Yes.
there may be 3 to
Multiple,
4
yes.
counsel.
Yes.
And we are
That has
confused
been
that.
communicated.
Huh?
That has been communicated. Pursuant to this Vakalatnam has been filed.
Huh.
The Vakalatnam has been filed on 17 July 2025. The standing order is on 15/5/2025.
It's all right. No, not in
It has
this
already
case,
been
I'm-
communicated. Yes. In general also. It's
All right,
communicated.
Phone number, email.
Mr. Ramesh Chandra Maharana and his associates have filed power for the appellant. So what do you want? Huh?
Paperwork has already been supplied in a mail.
You have received the paper book.
I have already received the.
Yes.
I don't have received the paper.
ଆପଣ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା କହିବା କଥା ଆପଣ the council you have a right to get the paper book. Land council submits that he may be supplied with a copy of the paper book. Let the registry supply the copy. Paper. Yes. Next.
Okay.
Arjun Pradyanta, seek for an Arjun.
Item 8.
Mr. Saurav. It's 302 case.
Yes, sir.
Is Saurabh used to, I think he's the associate of Rajiv.
Rajit. I'll intimate.
Just
I'll
intimate. Has he got practice of more than 10 years?
I have to check.
Because it's a 302 case.
302 case.
In view of the Supreme Court
Supreme
decision, so just communicate him. We are just keeping this matter to day after tomorrow. Please this matter day after tomorrow.
Enrollment number.
Region thing.
Oh, 2015.
14.
Bishop, Vakalatnama is there.
14.
14.
14 means. It's all right.
Yeah.
Then there is no
I'll
problem.
intimate.
Just intimate.
Item 9.
For condemnation of a delay.
It has been pointed out by the registry, or you have on your own, you have filed the.
Court order. Order dated 28/3/2022.
To life imprisonment. The judgment is dated
11/10/2021.
And we do not know when this it's a jail criminal appeal.
75 days.
Then criminal of the month
Has
29/12/2022.
received from jail late by 75 days.
Then so.
75 days.
Okay, take down. IA number so and so. This is an application for condonation of delay. The registry has pointed out that there is delay of 75 days in filing this jail criminal appeal. After going through the amendments taken in the interim application, hearing the land council for both the side, and since the petitioner has been sentenced to life imprisonment, we are inclined to condone the delay in filing the appeal. Accordingly, delay is condoned. Hard admit, call for the trial court report. नहीं, trial court report खाली hard admit कर दिया है ना? Let a copy of the paper book be supplied to Miss Anima Kumari Dei. You have received the message. Yes, next.
Item 10.
Item 10, the paper book has not been supplied and
It has been admitted.
yes, admitted and that's the informant has not been issued to the informant notice.
Worship,
The POCSO Act.
regarding the notices, Worship, I request some more time to
Item 12.
The prisoner's petition has been received so and so for 9 days. Okalar now file kachandi. Okalar now dekhi. All right, look on. Prisoner's petition has been received for engagement of Mr. Vishwajit Nayak in place of Gayatri Pato. Mr. Nayak has already filed Wakalatnama, which is taken on record. The name of Gayatri Pato shall not be reflected in the cause list henceforth. Stop. Then there are 2 interim applications.
And it filed for bail and stay relation of final. And he's in custody since 27/2016, man. So I don't have the copy of the declaration, so let's kindly give me the copy of the declaration at the same
Take in
time.
your pen drive.
No, I have brought with that.
You are having those copies. So we can take up next week if you are having.
Custody certificate,
Any order is necessary or you are having that copy of deposition with you?
I don't have the copy.
So take it.
Pen drive method.
No, we are granting you, but
Yes.
let the Mr. Nayak submits that he is not having the deposition copies with him. Let the registry supply the deposition soft copy of the deposition in his pen drive. Land counsel for the state is having the deposition copies. Put up this matter next week for orders. Then you have to click on. He submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody for more than 9 years.
Yes, 27/2016.
16, no, about 9 years for them. Let the land counsel for the state produce the custody certificate. Put up this matter 15th September. Name of so shall not be reflected to the Gayatri Patra. 15/9/2025. Yes, next.
Item 13.
Mr. Panda, Nityananda Panda, yes, Panda. Nandi. He has filed an application for interim bail. This is also under POCSO Act and 376 AB. So this notice part
Island has been contested for life, my lord. Already costed more than 14 years, my lord.
Have you got the custody certificate with you?
Custody certificate is there is the letter of the jail superintendent, my lord, on 4th March, my lord.
Okay.
Jail superintendent has sent the premature release of proposal and
No, that's a different
that
matter.
order has been reflected in the order in 4th March. Okay.
No, that has been submitted to DG of prisons. That letter is there, but so that is under consideration because no further order universal or not placement of this one. Okay, you also obtain instruction that whether this matter was placed before the State Sentence Review Board. Well, that these letters are there of your Superintendent District Jail. Those letters are available at Flag A. And it is mentioned therein that he is in custody for 14 years. And his name has been recommended for premature release.
Aim is recommended for premature release. It will be.
That's fine.
For consideration.
IA number so and so. This is an application for bail. The London Council for the appellant submits that the appellant is in judicial custody more than 14 years. And how many murders? One.
There is no eyewitness.
No, good with us.
Yes, good.
Okay. If there use the letters of the Superintendent District Jail, Baleshwar, recommending his case for premature release. And the letter has been addressed to Director General of Prisons and DCS Odisha Bhubaneswar for placement of the same before the State Sentence Review Board, Odisha Bhubaneswar. However, the Land Council for the state is unable to say whether the matter or whether the case of the petitioner was placed before the State Sentence Review Board or not, and if so, what is the result? And in this respect, he seeks some time to obtain instruction. Stop. However, since on the perusal of the letter, the petitioner appears to have remained in custody for more than 14 years, we are inclined to release him on bail. Baki formal order step for the one. Yes. There is no chance of early hearing.
Item 15.
Mr. Porija,
Madam. Madam. I have filed the discussions, but I have appointed to legal aid.
stay achi, bail bhi achi.
It have filed, I have filed.
You have filed.
I have
You want time or what?
deposition copy.
Deposition.
Appointed to legal aid.
Paper book is ready, madam. Paper book is ready.
We are asking the registry to hand over the paper book for you. Go through the paper book and all. Mr. Vikas Chandra Parija, Land Council, appearing for the appellant, 6 time and I place for an adjournment to argue the bail application since he is having, he is not having any, the deposition copies stock. It appears that the paper books have already been prepared. Let the registry supply a copy of the paper book to Mr. Parija during course of this week. You have received the paper book.
But
Land Council for the state has received the paper book. Put of this matter will be commencing from 15th of September.
we don't, it may be deleted also.
Acha, the name of Mr. Chittaranjan Sahu shall not be reflected, and his associate shall not be reflected in the cause list. Yes.
Item 16.
What do you want? You filed an application for stay of fine and also bail. So how many years you are in custody? 3 years, 9 months. 302. Like, give your name, Land Council so and so, appearing on behalf of Mr. Amitabh Tripathi, 6 for an adjournment. Put up this matter after ensuing Durga Puja Parija. Durga Puja Parija.
Item 17.
Mr. Raut,
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Raut. This matter may come after vacation.
After vacation.
Only for stay release.
But this is only for stay realization of fine. Why are you seeking adjournment? IA number so and so, there is an application for stay of realization of fine. Hard, on behalf of Mr. Soros Kumar Raut, there shall be stay of realization of fine pending disposal of the appeal. Tell your senior that the interim application has been allowed and stay of realization of fine has been granted. Okay? Yeah.
Item 18.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Okay. Land Council for the appellant 6 for an adjournment. 2 weeks after Puja vacation period. Durga Puja holidays come. Okay.
Item 19.
Mr. Das.
Yes.
As a prisoner's petition has been received for engagement of so and so in place of so and so. You have filed Wakalatnama?
No, I have not filed.
Do you file it? Request has been made, and in fact, the Wakalatnama is available. So you can just fill it up and I now hand over for them. You are Mr. Das, Ashok Kumar Das. Okay, so just fill it up and Wakalatnama.
You fill it up and sign.
The peruse the prisoner's petition at flag D for engagement of Mr. Ashok Kumar Das in place of Mrs. Sunanda Biswal. Mr. Das has filed Wakalatnama. No, Mr. Das has filled off the Wakalatnama which has been sent by the appellant along with his prisoner's petition. The same is accepted. The the name of Miss Shunanda Vishwal and other counsel shall not be indicated in the cause list henceforth. So what about the bail and stay relation fine?
Petition may be short because I have no petition.
Okay,
In paperwork maybe.
The-
Maybe there.
all right, the learned counsel for the Mr. Das, learned counsel submits that he is not having any paper with him since it's a jail criminal appeal. Stop. Let the copy of the paper book, also the interim applications filed for bail and stay relation of fine be supplied to the learned counsel of the office. तो एठू नहीं जीवे आपण पेपर बुकटा तो से देई देबे वर्तमान आउ आईएटा जो बेल आउ स्टे रिलेशन ऑफ फाइन the copy ta आपण पेन ड्राइव रे कलेक्ट करनी हो तो that would be better and collect the pen drive for them and it will be listed on 15th of September. You go through the testing.
Item 20.
Mr. Bhuiya.
Yes, Madam. We have some bail for 4 months.
On 6/5/2024, you had this petition was granted bail for 4 months. Thereafter, it has surrendered in time.
Where is the surrender certificate?
The Xerox copy is in my estimate.
You have filed the Xerox copy?
Yes, I have collected the Xerox copy.
Kahin?
I told you on 12/9/2024, he has surrendered. Interim application college.
But it's a ठीक है जी कॉपी टे अच्छी जी सर्टिफाइड कॉपी तो ऑब्टेन कराइला तो सेटा न फाइल करी जेरॉक्स कॉपी टे में फाइल करें ओके the surrender certificate has been copy of the surrender certificate has been annexed to the interim application for bail. It appears that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 4 months.
4 months. 4 months.
As per the order dated 6/5/2024. So, let the learned counsel for the state obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. Right? Matter be placed on 15th of September 2020.
Okay.
Item 21.
Mr. Panda, it is your case.
I think custody certificate has been called for. Here I am in custody since 19/12/2022. Allegation is one of
due to sudden provocation, that quarrel
Your
between the.
bail application has been rejected on merit on 12/1/2023,
So,
and now you are filing the fresh application that
because already more than 11 years in custody.
it is 12 years it has been.
12 years, 2 months.
12 years, including of course the on remission period. So it's a case of double murder.
Yes, yes.
What about his criminal antecedent?
That I have to approve.
Get that, and also the jail conduct.
Jail conduct is there.
Jail conduct,
There is the report.
where is that?
On the back side.
Oh, yeah, there. Convict so and so, his behavior towards us is good. No offense has been recorded in jail. Is engaged in jail saloon, as so and so is engaged in, selected a member of Panchayat Council inside the 2 years. Convicted one. Then plumbing, mobile repairing, solve minor repairing work inside the prison. The work has been appreciated. work. ଆଚ୍ଛା। ଭଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଖାଲି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ IN number so and so. There is an application for bail. Land Council for the state has produced the report of the Superintendent District Jail Board, a custody certificate, huh? Along with the conduct of the petitioner in jail. The same is taken on record. However, the Land Council for the state seeks some more time to produce the instruction, to obtain the instruction relating to the criminal antecedents, if any, against the petitioner. Of this matter on 15th of September 2024. Yes.
Item 27.
27, Mr. Mahapatra.
One of the interim application is to be not pressed because it is before intro, so 2589 of 24. Actually, interim bail application it becomes improper.
IN number 2589 of 2024 is an application for interim bail. Mr. Sorochandra Mahapatra and senior advocate appearing for the petitioner, appellant petitioner, submits that this interim application has become infructuous. Accordingly, the IA is disposed of. Yes.
Super the bail application is IA 2003 of 24, my lord.
Yeah.
Earlier, on merit, twice the bail application of the petitioner was rejected.
Yeah.
And he was taken into custody on 21/7/14, and since from the date of custody he is continuing in
Are you
jail.
having the custody certificate with you?
No.
Upon Parachi,
To update
He
that.
cannot ask you criminal accident custody.
the IN number 2003 of 2024 is an application for interim bail. Mr. Mahapatra and senior advocate.
Bail.
Bail. Mr. Mahapatra and senior advocate submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since date Manoji.
21/7/2014.
21/7.
2014.
2014. Stop. Land Council for the state seeks some time to produce the custody certificate as well as to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. So also is jail conduct. Put up this matter on 15/9/2024. You are available, Mr. Mahapatra?
Village copy.
Item 28.
Mr. Ponda. Amulya Ratna Ponda. Or there. Next.
Item 29.
29.
Patnaik.
Last two must direct by you.
It's a report of the conduct certificate from the jail custody. William was in bail.
Yes, sir.
সেই কেসটা দেখ
If you adverse আসছে কি
সেই কেসটাও দেখবি
302 ও সে পুরান কেসটা
সেই পিএস কেস দিছে তো
না 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 সেটা না সেটা তার ফন্ড অফ এবে পয়েন্ট
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ନା ଆମେ କହିଥିଲୁ ଯେ ତାର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଯୋଉ ଯାଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ତାର
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ସାଇଡରେ ଦେଇଛି
ବ୍ୟାକରେ ଦେଇଛି ଅଛି conduct inside jail
21 years imprisonment.
conduct almost 21 years.
ପଜିଟିଭ
His behavior inside the jail is very faithful to Antwerp. Yeah, that's one. The IE number one, so there is an application for bail. The petitioner was directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months. As per order of this court dated 6/3/2025. So after availing the same, he has surrendered at right time. And the learning council for the state was asked to obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. The land council for the state has produced the written instruction received from Superintendent District Jail Dhenkanal dated 13/8/2025. It shows as follows. It a quote it the now this one so behavior. Nothing adverse report has been produced against the petitioner that he misutilized his liberty while on interim bail. Considering the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody and since the petitioner has not misutilized the liberty and he has complied with the terms and condition of the interim bail order and there is absence of chance of early hearing of the criminal appeal in the near future, we are inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes.
Item 30.
Yeah, you prefer some of the day the file is
बुधवार रखिवा नहीं वो सब तो आसी हो बुधवार दिन You are for the Mr. Dhol, you are in which matter?
My lord, in criminal appeal number 1168 of 2001.
so by
Okay. And in number 1, CRLA 1 of 23, Mr. Jafrullah is there.
Yes, ma'am.
He is not there today.
no no he's yes sir
Acha, you are. And what about the 165? Mr. Mahapatra, Saurachandra Mahapatra.
Not here.
So it have day after tomorrow list for this. 3/9/2025. किसी दरकार नहीं list खाली. So all these matters will be, this would be item number 1. So obviously this 31 would be item number 2 in the orders. So that's all.
31 रे custody certificate টা মগাই
Put it.
31
মগা হবো না মগা হিচ
মগা হবো
আচ্ছা এটা 31 রে custody certificate নিয়ে আসন্তু ଆଉ criminal antecedent ବି ନିଏ
In item number 30 also, why don't we call for the custody certificate?
Acha, then it cannot be taken up day after tomorrow. It has, so,
My lord, next week.
next week as well. So, 8 for
Because during corona period.
No, no, that is right. So, Aita Kuneya Sundu, 8th order ta pass for the CRLN number 1168 of 2022. Had Mr. D.P. Dhal and senior advocate appearing for the appellant. The Land and Council for the state seek some time to obtain the custody certificate of the appellants. In this appeal, so also in the connected appeals, that is CRLN number 1 of 2023 and CRLN number 165 of 2023, including their criminal antecedents and also their conduct inside jail. So matter be placed on 15/9/20.
Another appeal, criminal appeal number 134 of 2023, that is in between.
Acha, so also for
1168 for
criminal appeal number 134 of 2023 and
165 instead of alga list
it should be separately listed. The bhitar pose na. This CRLN number 134 of 2023 should be separately mentioned in the cause list along with the other connected matters. The bhitar pose acha. Semti jota item number 31 ne Mr. Devasis Pandankara custody certificate, criminal antecedents, jail conduct. First order for the 128 and similarly see anyway instruction about the appellant in the connected criminal appeal. So these are the matters which are to be taken up on 15/9/2025.
I am appearing for the informant. Maybe a bail petition may be solved. Either is connected appeal.
Mr. Maitrajit Mahanti, Land Counsel for the informant, is present. Let the Land and Counsel appearing in all the criminal appeals serve the copy of the interim application for bail on the Land and Counsel for the informant during course of this week.
In item number 30, the first item.
30?
In that 30, item first item, criminal appeal 1 of 23. I am appealing for appellant number 4. There are 4 appeals. And there I filed an interim bail which has come to your lordship's board, that is at flag G, 1137 of 25, seeking an interim bail on the ground of ill health of the mother.
Acha, ita likhi diyantu. CRLN number 1 of 2023 lekhondu. IN number so and so. This is an application for interim bail. Agur kichi order instruction naba pai?
Nice.
Acha. This interim application has been filed for on the bail on the ground of mother settlement.
Yes, ma'am.
Mother settlement. Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction. It will be likely from the mother.
Have you annexed any document?
Yes, ma'am. I have annexed the documents.
And the authenticity of the medical documents annexed to the interim application.
Interim application may be along with the medical certificate.
This copy of the interim application along with the medical documents filed be supplied to Mr. Maitrajit Mahan, the Land and Counsel for the informant. It also is one of the बाकी एवढा सब पहर दिन आसियो